The next step is to remove this screw here on the side, this screw here, and you have 2 screws underneath. Go ahead and remove those screws. The next step is to take this plastic cover or housing and lift it up and pull it out. Your next step is going to be to take this cover off, and that will expose the heating element. Now, a lot of stackables do not have this type of heating element. They're actually on the back of the dryer. You can see here's some fuses, and we're going to have to check these fuses, and we're going to have to check the fuses here on the heating element and the heating element. Let's do this first. We're going to remove these 2 wires from the thermal fuse. This is normally a culprit when the heating element doesn't heat. Go ahead and pull those 2 wires off. Visually check the coil inside of the heating element. If you can see it's broke or if it looks burnt, then we'll just have to go ahead and replace that. If it doesn't, then we're going to check the fuses. Okay, you're going to turn your multimeter to continuity with sound if you have it. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to take one of the probes and place it on one side of the thermal fuse and the other probe on the other side of the thermal fuse. Now, looking at the meter, that is the reading that you need for a good thermal fuse. If you check it, and let's look at the meter again, and it comes up OL, that means that thermal fuse is bad and it will prevent the dryer heating element from turning on. We're going to actually check the heating element for continuity. You're going to take these 2 wires off. Sometimes they come off easy, sometimes they don't. You're keeping the meter on ohms or continuity with sound. You're going to place 1 probe here and 1 probe here. Let's look what the meter is reading now. You can hear it beeping, hopefully, and anywhere from 10 up to about 15, that number is where it needs to be, between 10 and 15, to show you that you have a good heating element. And this is, in fact, a good heating element.